Target bearing 4-8 and closing.
Fire in the hole! There!
Don't build, man. He's...
This is not a test. This is your emergency alert system announcing the commencement of the annual purge, sanctioned by the United States government. At the sound of the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be illegal for 12 continuous hours. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Restricted weapons include rocket launchers, grenade launchers, napalm bombs, nuclear weapons, chemical weapons, and biological weapons. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. For the first time since its inception, nobody will be granted immunity from the purge. For those participating in the purge, successful cleanse. For those not participating, seek shelter immediately. Close and lock all doors. Turn off noise-making devices. Stay alert at all times. Trust nobody. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.